Everyone knows that smoking is hard to quit. But does vaping help? Well, one survey of 104 vapers found that they failed 9 times at quitting with all the recommended ways such as patches and gum. But finally, they succeeded with vaping. Currently, over 50% of smokers that quit do so with vaping. The reason vaping works is because it satisfies the nicotine dependence and uniquely replaces the smoking behavior. Also, vaping offers thousands of flavors to help the smoker replace the taste of smoke with something better, and trying new flavors keeps it interesting. That is why it's more effective than sticking a patch to your arm or chewing gum. The vaping industry is a result of smokers' demand for a safer alternative. As of 2021, there are 82 million vapers worldwide. That's a lot of smokers switching to a product that's less than 5% the risk. Since 2016, our nonprofit has been reviewing the science on vaping and making it easy for people to learn when they visit our website, VAEP.info. If you like the shirt I'm wearing, it comes in several colors, features our VAEP wings on the front, and our QR code on the sleeve. So when you wear our gear, and if someone asks you about vaping, just have them scan the code, and we'll take care of the rest. Find this and much more on our online store at vaepmail.com.